How to pin Chatgpt to the taskbar on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to add a Chatgpt shortcut directly to your taskbar for quick access. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. From there, go to chatgpt.com by typing it into the address bar and pressing Enter. At this point, once Chatgpt is loaded, click on the three dots at the top right of Chrome to open the browser menu. From there, hover over Cast, Save, and Share. After that, click on Create Shortcut. In the next step, check the box that says Open as Window and click on Create. From there, a Chatgpt shortcut will now appear on your desktop and open in its own dedicated window. Once done, right-click on the new Chatgpt shortcut on your desktop. Following this, click on Pin to Taskbar to add it to your taskbar for quick access. From here, look at the bottom of your screen and confirm the Chatgpt icon is now pinned there. And that's it. If this guide helped you pin Chatgpt to your taskbar on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.